The original application of the high-pressure filter dryer was for using natural gas as an instrument supply. It was designed and produced by R.H. Bob Welker to protect pneumatic controllers like the Bristol 624, for use with the jet stream control valve that Bob had invented. The filter dryer, as the name implies, is both a filter for particulates and a dryer for moisture. As designed, it was for filtering and drying a typical clean and dry natural gas stream to be used as an instrument supply to sensitive instruments like controllers, as well as less sensitive applications. Dry gas is considered to be less than 7 pounds of water per million standard cubic feet of natural gas. Today, most systems exceed that level of water, and many contain hydrocarbon moisture as well, which increases the importance of the role of the filter dryer. The filter dryer is not a high-volume instrument unless built on a larger scale. As a dryer, the natural gas needs a bit of retention time for the specific medium to absorb the given contaminant. This is an important factor to keep in mind. The Welker F4, F5, and F19 filter dryers have a proven record of performance. As the originator, we have the knowledge to assist you with your selection for the appropriate media and volume for your application. Designed for critical service, but ease of maintenance, the cartridge replacement is a simple and easy task. Simply remove the filter body casing and unscrew the used cartridge. And replace with a new one. Replace the body, and the system is back online. Pioneers in innovation and quality products, Welker solutions are unmatched. The Welker filter dryer is one of the many products in our Welker original portfolio. Don't depend on the derivative. Trust the original. Welker leads.